In the last video, you saw us using the system variable of width and height. We're going to now have a little look at another very useful systems variable. This one traces and tracks the value of the mouse position. So we can track both the X and Y. So if we just have a look at how the X works to start with and see it now in the console window, you can see that it's tracking the position. So if I come right across to the left, you can see it's almost down to 0, and then as I move across the page you can see now that it's increasing. So we can use that. That can be very useful because what we can do is we can update in our program and use that to move the mouse about or move something on the in the screen. So now what's happening is that's tracking the position of the mouse backwards and forwards. Okay, so we can start to get a level of interaction on that, and we can change this one to Y, and now the mouse or the object is going to follow the mouse about the screen. And this is a good opportunity to have a look at how this background and drawing function works, because what's happening is the background's getting drawn over and over again. Okay, but if I take the background out of there and only draw it once, in here you'll see something very different is going to happen. You now got yourself a drawing program, which is great. And maybe I could add a little bit more transparency to that. You can see now, look, you can draw with that. So you may want to have a little go at yourself at creating a little drawing program by changing the shape of the drawing tool to draw different types of lines and marks. So that's how the mouse systems variable is working.